Let us have a look at the following question here. So here it is given that a sequence of real numbers such that the series is given at n is equal to 0 to infinity summation a n x minus 2 to the power n converged at x is equal to minus 5. Then this series will also converges at. So first let us write down, let the series, that is un, be represented by un is equal to a n x minus 2 whole to the power n. And if we have summation here, so summation n is equals to 0 to infinity of summation the is equals to 0 to infinity. Okay, now let us, so for convergent we know that mod of un plus 1 by un is equals to, now this is a of n plus 1 x minus 2 to the power n by a n into x minus 2 to the power, okay, this is n plus 1 here and this is n mod value, right? So this is equals to mod of a n plus 1 by a n, and here this value and this n gets cancelled, so we have mod of x minus 2, right? Now in the question it is given that the series is convergent, that means this is less than 1. For convergent we need this is to be less than 1, and at x is equals to minus 5, that means the value here is a n plus 1 by a n mod of minus 5 minus 2 less than 1. That implies a n plus 1 by a n into 7 plus minus 7 mod of that is 7 less than 1. Now comparing with this condition, comparing with this particular condition that we have, let us try the different options, because we have to show that this is convergent at minus 5, x is equals to minus 5, then what are the other options it is possible? So for that, let me write down here what we are comparing. We are comparing with a n plus 1 by a n mod of x minus 2. Sorry, we have already calculated it, that this is convergent at 7. That is, we have this equation. Okay, in this case this is convergent. So now let us see if x is equals to 9, so x minus 2 we have, right? So 9 minus 2 is 7. So of course this is the same condition, so it will be convergent at x is equals to 9. At x is equals to 12, so we will have 12 minus 2, that is 10. So 10 times this, I cannot say whether this will be less than or greater than 1. It's not applicable, that's why. At x is equals to 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 times of this, if 7 times of this ratio is less than 1, then of course 3 times of this will be less than 1. So yes, at x is equals to 5, there will be convergence. And at x is equals to minus 6, so again minus 6 minus 2 is equals to minus 8, so mod of 8. So 8 times of this, again I cannot be sure it will be less than 1 or greater than 1, so I cannot say anything about it. So the correct answer is option A and option C, that is at x is equals to minus 5, of course the sequence is convergent. Other than that, when x is equals to 9 as well as x is equals to 5, the series is convergent as well.